The A220 Family. Originally developed by Bombardier as the C Series, this family represents Airbus's entry into the small narrow-body market. It was designed specifically for the 100 to 150-seat segment, filling a crucial gap between regional jets and larger mainline aircraft. The family consists of the A220-100 and the larger A220-300, both of which share over 99% commonality in parts and a single pilot type rating. Technically, these aircraft are built with 40% advanced materials, including a high percentage of carbon fiber composites in the wings and titanium in the fuselage to significantly reduce weight and resist corrosion. They are powered by Pratt & Whitney PW1500G geared turbofan engines, which utilize a unique reduction gearbox to allow the fan and the engine core to rotate at their respective optimal speeds. This engineering feat contributes to a 25% reduction in fuel burn and CO2 emissions per seat compared to previous generation aircraft. The A220-100 offers exceptional performance on hot and high routes and short runways, while the A220-300 provides airlines with superior unit cost efficiency for higher density regional routes, featuring a range of up to 3,600 nautical miles. The A320 Family. As the world's most successful and versatile aircraft family, the A320 revolutionized the industry by introducing full digital fly-by-wire technology to commercial aviation in the late 1980s. This narrow-body series includes the A318, A319, A320, and A321, offering a range of sizes to suit various mission profiles with a highly standardized cockpit layout. The family evolved from the current engine option, or CEO, to the new engine option, known as the Neo, which launched in 2010 to meet the demand for greater sustainability. The Neo variants incorporate larger, more efficient engines, the CFM International LEAP 1A or the Pratt & Whitney PW1100G, and massive 2.4-meter Sharklet wingtip devices. Together, these modifications provide a 20% fuel saving per seat and a 50% smaller noise footprint than their predecessors. The A318 is the smallest, often used for steep approach operations like London City Airport, while the A321neo has become a long-range powerhouse. The A321 XLR variant, in particular, is capable of flying up to 4,700 nautical miles, allowing narrow-body jets to serve transatlantic routes previously dominated by much larger wide-body aircraft. The A330 Family. This wide-body family is renowned for its reliability and versatility, serving as a backbone for medium to long-haul operations globally for over 3 decades. It initially launched with the A330-200, which prioritizes range and carries approximately 250 passengers, and the A330-300, which offers higher passenger capacity for shorter international hops. The family has since transitioned into the A330neo, comprising the 800 and 900 models, which leverage technologies developed for the advanced A350. The Neo version features the Rolls-Royce Trent 7000 engines with a high bypass ratio of 10:1 and a new high-span composite wing that extends the wingspan to 64 meters. These updates result in a 14% improvement in fuel efficiency per seat compared to the A330 CEO. Furthermore, the A330-200F serves the global logistics market as a dedicated freighter with a 70-ton payload capacity. The A330's enduring appeal lies in its proven airframe, combined with modern airspace cabin interiors and updated cockpit systems, allowing airlines to maintain high operational availability while benefiting from significantly lower fuel and maintenance costs. The A350 Family. The A350 represents the pinnacle of modern aerospace engineering, designed from a clean sheet to dominate the ultra-long-range market. It is primarily constructed from over 50% carbon fiber reinforced plastic, which allows the fuselage to handle higher pressure differentials. This enables a lower cabin altitude of 6,000 feet and higher humidity levels, greatly improving passenger comfort on flights exceeding 15 hours. The family includes the A350-900, the larger A350-1000, and a dedicated freighter variant, the A350F. These aircraft are powered exclusively by Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines, which utilize ceramic matrix composites to operate at internal temperatures that would melt traditional metal alloys. With a maximum range of up to 9,700 nautical miles in the specialized ULR variant, the A350-900 is currently the only aircraft capable of operating the world's longest commercial flights, such as the 19-hour journey between Singapore and New York. The A350-1000 features a stretched fuselage and a specialized six-wheel main landing gear to support a maximum takeoff weight of 322 tons and a range of 9,000 nautical miles. To push these boundaries further, Qantas has selected a specialized version of the A350-1000 for Project Sunrise. These aircraft are modified with an additional center fuel tank to enable non-stop flights from Sydney and Melbourne to London and New York, journeys lasting over 22 hours. To support these ultra-long-haul missions, the cabin is configured with just 238 seats and includes a dedicated well-being zone for passengers to stretch and hydrate, marking a new frontier in point-to-point global travel. A380. The A380 is a marvel of industrial scale, holding the title of the world's largest passenger aircraft and featuring over 380 unique patents in its design. Its unique full-length double-deck design was created to solve the problem of airport congestion at major global hubs by carrying up to 853 passengers in a high-density configuration. With 4 engines, either the Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or the Engine Alliance GP7000, and a massive 79-meter wingspan, the A380 provides a flight experience characterized by an incredibly quiet cabin and spacious interior layouts that can include onboard showers and lounges. Historically, it pushed the boundaries of aviation materials, utilizing glare, a glass fiber reinforced aluminum, to save weight on the upper fuselage. While production has ended after 251 deliveries, the aircraft remains a flagship for major carriers, valued for its ability to transport over 500 passengers in a luxurious multi-class configuration with unmatched comfort. It remains a favorite among travelers for its stability in turbulence and the sheer sense of space provided by its wide-body double-deck architecture. The evolution of these aircraft families demonstrates a consistent commitment to efficiency, pilot commonality, and passenger experience. From the agile and lightweight A220 to the monumental scale of the A380, Airbus has fundamentally shaped the way the world connects across continents. Understanding the technical nuances of these models, from geared turbofans to carbon fiber wing morphing, reveals the incredible engineering journey required to keep the global fleet flying safely and sustainably into the future.